Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR MagicPad 2 and let me share with you how to clear apps cache and speed up a little bit your device. So we will start with removing the cache for the apps. Basically it will work perfectly fine, especially in the situation if you feel that the app is working a little bit slower than before. So let's enter the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find the apps. Then let's tap on Manage Apps, and here we've got the list of all apps which are currently on this device. So all you have to do is to find the app which you'd like to clear cache for and then tap on it. So let me choose maybe Facebook. Just tap on the specific app and then let's enter the storage. And as you can see here, we've got this cache section, and all we have to do is to simply tap on clear cache, and your device will basically remove the junk files which are normally saved, and then it will release the memory. The second thing which will allow you and help you to speed up your device a little bit is to find the optimizer, let's say. Let's go to this specific app which is called System Manager, and for sure you've got this one because it is pre-installed by the developer. So just find System Manager, and as you can see here we've got two options which will be useful. So first of all, the optimize option. So your device will basically optimize itself. So for example, turn off the background apps, etc. And under it we've got the cleanup, and here you've got the information about the sufficient storage. Here your device will scan for the items to clean up, so those which are not really that useful, for example junk files or unused apps or duplicated files. And under it you've got the cleanup by the category, so you can enter the specific category on your own and then remove something. So for example, in the images, in the recommended, we've got the screenshots. We've got 4 images which can be removed because they do not show I don't know, a proper information, so they are not really that necessary. Of course, it is only the suggestion. You can do whatever you want, so you can just tap on cleanup here or cleanup here, whatever, totally up to you. However, this operation will for sure release some memory and speed up your device. And the last thing, the last step, is to confirm everything and soft reset your device, or basically just turn it off and then turn it on to confirm everything. And all you have to do is to, for example, press the power button and volume down button together, just like the combination of keys for making a screenshot. So let me just try to press both of those buttons together. We've got the screenshot, but keep pressing the buttons, and in a second our device should be soft or forcefully restarted. As you can see, we've got a black screen, so keep pressing. And now we've got the developer's logo, which means that that we just successfully soft reset our device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.